Hello there everyone, my name is Vince. Today we are trying out Aircraft Carrier, an app that promises real life money, real life rewards, the stuff you see in the background behind me everyone, that money. Let's see, let's just see. I'm already getting angry, I can already tell this is going to be a scam and I can already tell I'm going to be mad throughout this whole video. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends, help my channel grow. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers thanks to you amazing people out there. Guys, this is it. Aircraft Carrier. Here we go. It reminds me of merge planes straight off the bat. Oh my... No. Why? What's this? Why is there a prize center already? Dude, no. iPhone 11 Pro puzzle. Check in tomorrow for more puzzles. Guys, the app is ran off puzzle system, man. The puzzle system. No. Just no, man. How? Why? Why is this allowed on Google, bro? What is Google doing with their lives? Seriously. Dear Captain, welcome aboard. You can merge and upgrade aircrafts to fight the enemy planes and let's have a try. This is literally merge planes. This is 100% merge planes with real life money rewards. What is this garbage, dude? Okay, I got one diamond, one new apron. What the hell is what's an apron? Do you mean a landing pad or like a little pad area? I don't know. Don't know aircraft talk, everyone. Either way, you can get 2 of them if you watch an ad. No. Mysterious puzzle. Congratulations, watch an ad. No. Dude, I'm so done. I can't believe you guys, literally, over 1 million people have downloaded this app. You can't tell it's a scam. I'll be putting up real life players' reviews on the screen right now. Let's go check out the cash out area. If it says $200, I want to rage, man. $10 Amazon gift card. Okay, so $10 Amazon gift card's the only thing that you can cash out here, okay? The only problem is, right, if you have a look, oh my god, look at this, a chance to get amount of coins. Open the fortune cookie. No, thank you. Anyway, if you look at the reviews of this app, people are so freaking mad, bro. Any app that promises you rewards through a puzzle system is straight up fixed and a lie, bro. Come on, man. I just got 50 cents. Yes, man. Bring that money in. I don't know what to tell you, everyone. What do you think? Like, I know there's going to be people watching this video right now. For you people out there that are watching that are on the fence about this app, if you don't know if you're going to get your money, I'm literally 99% sure you will never get your money. And even if you do get paid out, if you're one of the lucky people out of the 1 million people that downloaded this app, literally, like, what's that mean? Does that mean $10 million they had to pay out to people because 1 million people downloaded it? Is that how it works? If every single one of them got $10? Do you know what I mean? Like, you really think some piece of junk app like this, literally merge planes knockoff, is going to generate $10 million, dude, in rewards? Come on, man. Guys, look, double up. Why would I want to double up? I don't care. What about the diamond system? Doesn't do anything? Alright, what about daily tasks? Don't know. Nothing. Shop? Okay, the magic dragon. Alright, privilege card. The profit will increase 5% for all aircrafts. The price will cut down by 5% for all aircrafts. What? Sure, I'll do that. Level 2 profit card. Why do I care? I'm never playing this app ever again. Holy hell. Let's go check out the rewards. This is the bit where I get angry. Okay, let's go find out. Okay, let's not find out then. Hello? I want to check the rewards out, dude. There we go. Alright, so, in Aircraft Carrier, we have the chance, apparently. Now, this reminds me of Lucky Toss 3D. All these pathetic apps that promise puzzle pieces to play their apps, okay? Here we go. iPhone 11 Pro. iPad Air 2. Apple Watch, a MacBook Air, AirPods, iRobot, a mini speaker, electronic scale, and a juicer, and 100,000 of the in-game coins. This juicer is literally nearly in every single app. There's always a juicer for some reason. What is with these people and juice? Developer, do you have some sort of vitamin D deficiency, my friend? Do you need to drink orange juice every day? Is that because you're out in the jungle somewhere scamming everyone in the world? Over 1 million people, you're scamming people, man. Come on, dude. Watch the video, get a puzzle piece. Yeah, bro, that's exactly what I want to do. I want to play an app, man, so I can watch ads. That's exactly what I want to do. That's exactly the point, man, so I can get a puzzle piece and never get my reward. I'm sorry everyone, but you gotta think about this on a realistic scale here. You look at an app like this that literally has copied an existing app called Merge Planes and just put real life rewards on top of it, okay? Do you really think this is real? And for the people that say, I've actually had a couple of developers get angry at me, which I find hilarious, dude. They say, but you don't actually show the evidence of the scam. Well, what about the 1-star reviews from real life people that are literally almost crying in the comments, saying they relied on your little $10 gift cards to, you know, help their family out and stuff, and you never cashed out. Do you know what I mean by that, everyone? So, literally, like, it breaks my heart. The comments that I get actually break my heart, legitimately. Some people say, like, hey bro, is this real? I need to cash out. I need to help pay my kids' lunch or food for my family. I'm thinking, oh my god, you poor person, man. I feel terrible because they're all scams. I have to be the one to break it to them that they're scams. Like, you gotta remember, guys, I'm not doing this for any other reason other than to expose these apps, man. These are all jokes. These are all pathetic jokes and pathetic attempts to scam you all out of watching ads for the developer, okay? Hence why, when you find an app that literally is 90% ads to try and get you to watch ads, alright? Look, 8 cents, get. I'm now over $1.03. I need to get to $10 though. The problem is people are saying the deeper that you get into this app, the more you get into this app, right, the less cash you get. So it's just the same concept of all those Plinko apps we played on our channel. You guys don't know I've played over 100 apps on my channel so far in the last 2 months. It has been crazy. We're almost approaching the 150 mark. You can tell that I've played those apps because I'm absolutely insane. No, I'm not watching a pathetic video, dude. Seriously, bro. What a life I live. Like, honestly, what a life I live. I really hope you guys appreciate that I'm exposing these apps. But don't get me wrong, it's not a hard job. All I do is sit down and play the most pathetic apps I can find. And aircraft carriers at the top of that list there for ripping people off. So, yeah, if people do actually like this app, for any other reason than trying to win real life money, I'd be amazed. You want to play a real app? Then play Merge Planes. That's the legitimate merging app. And that's the app that really took off around the world. This is literally, it has the same music as well. If it's the same developers, still, I don't care. Like, if this is the same developers as Merge Plane, play Merge Plane instead. That doesn't promise real life rewards, okay? It's just for fun. This is pathetic. I can't believe that. I can't believe these apps exist. I'm just so mad. There's always ads. Everything's ads, dude. Get. I still haven't watched one ad yet, though. I've avoided every single ad prompt, which I'm so proud about, everyone. I'm so proud about it. I refuse to give the developer money. There's no way. Sorry. Like, could you imagine? Over 1 million downloads. Could you imagine how many people have been scammed by this app? It's so bad, dude. And it's just one big fix. And it's so easy to see. And people just... It breaks my heart how no one could, like... Why? The fact that I even get comments to this day saying, are you sure this app is a scam? Of course, dude. Even though the cash out's so low. I'm going to be honest, this is probably one of the lowest cash outs, right? But if you look at the player reviews, everyone is so mad, dude. If you look at real people's reviews, not the robot ones, the AI paid reviews, I mean the real people reviews, you'll find that a lot of them are 1 stars and a lot of them are people that have tried to get to $10 but can never make it because the game's rigged, or they never get their puzzle pieces. Do you know what I mean? It's all a scam to make sure you watch advertisements. Keep that in mind if you want to try and play aircraft carrier. If this warning does not stop you from trying out the app, then please let me know how you go. Good luck to you. There is no way on God's green earth this app is going to be on my playing schedule. I will never play this again, and I hope you guys understand that these apps are fake. Please read the people's reviews that I'm putting up on the screen now, okay? It's a joke. Stay safe out there, guys. Please let me know what you think of aircraft carrier, and if you think it's a scam, I'll catch you all tomorrow for the next scam reveal video. Catch you around.